Sending money to your bank account or cashing out on a debit card is one thing, but what if you want to actually set up recurring transfers every week or every day or every month, depending on what interval that you want, to your Cash App? Well, that's what we're going to talk about in this video. But if you're looking for any of the two that I just mentioned, trying to figure out how to transfer money to your bank account or cash out on a debit card, you want to check these videos out on the screen because that's where I cover that process exclusively. Here we're going to specifically be talking about setting up transfers between one bank account and the Cash App. So let's go ahead and hop into it. What's up, everyone? This is Elijah with Financial Anatomy, the place where you can take control of your financial destiny. On this channel, we talk about ways to make money online, side hustles, personal finance, and also apps that involve money in any form. And today we'll be talking about such because we're going to be covering the Cash App. You may be using your Cash App to pay bills, for instance, and you just want to have the money automatically withdrawn from that account, so you just set up daily deposits to make it automatic. Then whoever you're giving money to, they just charge your Cash App debit card, or they have your account information and then they pull the money that way. Whichever way you choose to set that up, that's up to you. Or you may have another reason altogether. But your reason is your business. We're going to cover exactly how to do it. So let's move on to the Cash App so I can visually show you how to set those daily, weekly, or monthly transfers up. First up, we're going to open the Cash App. Then we're going to click our balance in the bottom left-hand corner. From here, if we want to set up recurring transfers, we need to click on Deposits and Transfers. We're going to scroll down, and you want to click the Auto Add Cash. Now, once this is actually clicked on, you can determine what is the frequency you want cash to be added. So do you want it daily, weekly, or monthly? For this example, I'll select weekly. From here, you can pick what day out of the week you want the transfer to actually happen. So let's say, for instance, Wednesday. After that, you can pick the amount that you want to transfer on a weekly basis. Let's back out of this and try doing it daily. This next, you just pick the amount you want daily. Now let's try something different. Let's say if you want a transfer to happen on a monthly basis. Click on monthly, and then you'll be able to pick the date that you want the transfer to happen on a monthly basis. So you can arrange it so that a transfer will trigger on the 15th, on the 20th, or the 1st of the month. It's up to you. That covers how to set up recurring transfers on the Cash App. I would caution you to make sure you remember that you set this up, and make sure that however the daily or weekly or monthly interval that you set up to have the recurring transfers in, whatever bank account that the money is coming from, I will make sure that I keep at least that minimum balance in that bank account, because we do want to avoid overdraft fees if your bank institution does charge them. And you also want to avoid any kind of inconvenience on Cash App because they try and pull it and it's not there. Obviously, we don't want that. So just make sure you keep your minimum balance above the amount that you set in terms of recurring transfers. Just a little banking accounting advice there. But that does it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. It's very much appreciated. Subscribe if you're new and hit that bell notification if you want to know when we drop another video. And speaking of other videos, be sure to check out the other tutorials we have on the Cash App so that you can have everything you need when it comes to the Cash App in terms of information, so you're equipped to do what you need. I'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny.